What's going on, guys? Here we have a 2017 Jeep JK. It's a two-door version of the Jeep JKU. We've done upgrades on probably 20 to 30 of these vehicles with substantial large lift kits, wheels and tires, 37-inch tires. You know, we built a monster that had a 7-inch lift on it here a couple months back. This is a very good customer of ours who brought us this Jeep for some window tint and audio upgrades with a new touchscreen head unit, aftermarket speakers, subwoofer that we hid underneath the spare tire well. Now it's back in the bay. We're doing a 2.5-inch lift from rough country. Wheel spacers to kick out the wheels a little bit, and we're doing some aftermarket Nitto Ridge Grappler 35-inch tires. Stay tuned for some updates on this Jeep and how it turns out. Hey guys, we're just about done with the 2017 Jeep JK build. Dylan's just putting on the last finishing touches. Can't wait for you guys to see this build. It turned out so cool. We have 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers and 2.5-inch rough country lift. This thing's going to be awesome. Stay tuned.